The Itsy Bitsy Spider, also known as the Itsy Bitsy Spider in Australia, Great Britain, and other Anglophone countries, is a popular nursery rhyme folk song and finger play that describes the adventures of a spider as it ascends, descends, and reascends the downspout or water spout of a gutter system or open